Hey guys, it is me. Welcome back to my channel. So I haven't really done YouTube properly yet, so I'm hoping that this video will sort of be that one that sort of stimulates the rest. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna happen, but we're trying. So we're going for our 2020 goals. Anyway, today I'm here to talk to you and show you some of the amazing products that I have been receiving lately as PR packages. So, the first one. Now, I don't actually know how to pronounce this properly, so I'm really sorry if I get it wrong, but I believe it's called 96 in like a cool way. So anyway, this is the little box that I got sent. One thing I already really like about it is that the box is personalised. So it's got Shakira's box on there. I think that's such a nice touch and it's just really sweet. So yeah, loving that. Then you open it. It's got hashtag 96. Hope you enjoy our products. Share your look with us at 96. Check them out. So these. So this looks like, let's crack it open. I think they look like, you know, them facial razor things. I sometimes use them to go around my eyebrows. Oh my god, why can't I open this? Okay, we got it. Right, so in here you get this eyelash comb. I also use it to brush out my eyebrows, but these are very handy and you never know when you're going to need one, so thank you. Then we have got 3 coloured, I believe they are facial razors. I think, yeah. So you sort of take it off of this little packet thing and then you get the sharp little razor. So I think you have to do this on bare skin. So I'm just going to wipe a little bit off and we're going to see it. I haven't cleaned my face halo. My cleansing tonic by Makeup Revolution. This is the, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's what it is. And it's a clarifying tonic. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of my makeup off. Today I'm not wearing too much makeup, to be honest. I am literally just wearing the IT Cosmetics CC cream. It was my first time trying it today and I actually quite like it. So anyway, let's zoom you in. So, I mean, I don't think my skin's that hairy, but we're just gonna have a go. So you do have to pull the skin and then just slightly drag it along. Like so. I think, yeah, I mean, there's, I don't know if you can see that. Is it gonna focus? So there is like tiny little hairs on there. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. That hasn't made my skin red, by the way. My skin is just a moody bitch, so it reacts to anything and everything, so it's not this. So you get 3 of those. I actually quite like these. I think these are really good to do stuff like that, because I mean, I've noticed I get a lot of peach fuzz, as they call it. So yeah, I do tend to get a lot of that and I always get really insecure about it, so I do like to actually just take it off. To take mine off, I normally use one of these. So I got this in Asda, and you turn it on and it's like a little, I don't know if you can see that. You see it? But yeah, so I normally just use that and it just goes along and it just gets it all off. So yeah, I normally use that, but I do quite like the idea of the little razor things. So yeah, thank you very much. You also get these. So these are like mascara ones. However, these are so handy to have just to literally brush out your brows, like, you know. Ooh, look how much difference that actually makes just by brushing out your brows. Like, Wow. Oh my god, that's amazing. Look how much better they look. I really do like having these. Probably use this one mainly just to brush out my brows. So they can be really good for different types of mascaras. So they're quite cool. I think I like this one because this one's a curling one. As you can see, it's got that slight dip in it. So it really gets in there and curls the lashes. I would try it, but I've already got mascara on. Actually, no, you know what? We're going to try. I'm going to try it with the Iconic London mascara. This one I've really been loving lately. So the one looks like that. But I love this mascara, so let's try. So I'm trying the curling wand with the mascara. I find that I already have really curly eyelashes, so I don't know why I'm really putting a curling, but so bearing in mind I have already got a little bit of mascara on. Oh wow, this has actually made a difference. Wow. I mean, can you see that? They look a lot thicker. I'm trying so hard right now to not open my mouth. So that's the difference. That is amazing. This wand, you need it. I'm just going to pop some on the other eye as well. Wow, who is she? I really like this. I'm guessing you can buy this as a pack that comes with all the little bits that I've showed you so far. So in the pack you get the facial trimmers, you get the mascara ones, more facial trimmers, and then you get the little eyebrow comb tray. So that's all in there. So they also gave me these lashes. How stunning are they? They are gorgeous. So they are, so it says on them, they are reusable. They are lightweight luxury silk lashes. So it says on the back, our lab tested super soft lashes are made from high quality lightweight Korean silk fibre for comfortable wear. Trim lash to fit your eye shape. Apply a thin layer of glue and wait for 30 seconds for it to go tacky. Hold the lash as close as possible above the natural line. Press gently across the entire lash, holding at the end for a few seconds. If you wish to reuse the lashes, soak a cotton ball in makeup remover and swab it along the lashes and use tweezers to remove any excess glue. Glue not included. Caution, do not use false eyelashes if dirty or broken. Do not apply to damaged, inflamed or sensitive skin, and keep away from children. So that's that. Let's get stuck in. So I think I'm gonna go for the style. I think we'll go for these ones. So 312. So we're gonna go for 312. I really like the little packaging. It's actually really cute. It's got like a marble background to it, which is nice. I love marble, so I'm gonna take these lashes and I'm gonna use I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe vera. So I'm just going to trim the lashes first. So I've got my lash trimmed and then I'm just gonna pop some glue just along the rim. I really like this lash glue. I find that I can't really get on with Duo lash glue, which is the one that everyone raves about. I don't know why, I just can't get on with it. Does anyone else not get on with Duo lash glue? Please let me know, because I feel like I'm like the only one that doesn't. So to apply the lashes, I am going to be using this, which is what they scent as well. So I'm just going to pop this around the lashes like so, and then we're going to apply. Okay, so they're on. I'm not gonna lie, like, they are gorgeous. They're so pretty. And I always find, for me personally, I don't really like wearing fake eyelashes because I feel like I have small eyes, so I feel like they always just make my eyes like even smaller. But the band on these ones are really nice actually, so it doesn't make my eyes look too small. Could do with a little bit of a trim on the outside part, just a little bit more. There we go, guys. So those are the lashes. So that is the full review of everything. I really like the eyelash applicator as well, not gonna lie, like, so easy to use. I would like to create a sandwich between your lashes and the fake lashes, so I would really recommend getting that. Bye guys.